In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Roblox from your Discord account. To be able to do that, go ahead and open your Discord app or Discord on your browser and sign in into your Discord account. Now, once you're signed in, go ahead and click on this gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on user settings. Now, this will take you into user settings. Now, in here, go ahead and head over to the connections section. As you can see in here, you'll be able to find this Roblox account connected to my Discord account. Click on that X icon beside that account and confirm the disconnection of your Roblox account with your Discord account by clicking on that disconnect button. Disconnecting your Roblox account from your Discord account will allow you to keep your activity related to Roblox private from your Discord mutuals. That is how you can simply disconnect your account along with the other accounts that you have in this section. So before you disconnect account, make sure that you really want to do that and it's really necessary, since reconnecting your account into this section will require you to do the same steps that you did when you've connected it into that specific account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.